What's up, YouTube? Back at it. Guy coating the final prime on it. Starting out with 220, work my way up to 320. Then I'll throw a seal on it, and we'll be ready for paint. I got one side done already. Got that 320 going all over here. Got it done. And wipe it down, and I do the whole car with the 220, and then I come back and any of my low spots, high spots, I'll fix those right then, and then do the whole car with the 320, and then we'll be ready to paint it. All right, so we're gonna do this front fender here, and then I'm gonna cut you back off and do the whole car, and then I turn it back on and let you see the results on it. All right, so we're gonna still go in that X pattern. Just like all the videos out there, that's pretty much I done saw. Telling you go in the X pattern, so, you know, basically here. Then go up and down. Keep working at X till all that black paint is gone. Be smooth just like that. All right, still got some low spots here, so I'm there. I'm gonna keep working it, and I turn it back on. All right, I finished this whole side with the 220. Like all of this right here, I have to add a little filler in before I get any further in the grits. Go ahead and get the 220 and go back to 180, then 220. It'll be back flat with it, with everything else. All those cut throughs here through the to the filler or the primer, that's fine, that's flat. I'm gonna seal it. You ain't gonna be able to see none of that once I seal it. These spots like this is what need body filler in it. Those little spots like that, body filler. Filler here, low spots. These is just self-etching primer, but I cut through the back through the bare metal to the bare metal. That's all that is. Self-etching primer. Here. All that self-etching primer. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump over to the other side, do the other side like that, get everything, the whole car 220. Once we get the whole car 220, like I said, I go back and get those low spots with body filler, putty, if I have to do putty. Try to avoid the filler at this point, but if I have to, I can do it and get it back flat. Then we'll 320 the whole car, and then we'll be ready to seal it and paint it. What's going on, YouTube? A little box Chevy project update. I'm doing 220 sanding for my body filling and putty, glazing putty here with the pink. I'm gonna put body filler right here with these markings at. Just clean off the surface. I already done hit it with the 220 the whole car. So it's gonna look just like this, it's smooth, baby. And then we're gonna come back wet sand it with 320. Then we're gonna put some seal on it, and then we'll be ready to paint it. So all these markers here, I'm gonna put body filler in it. Got the glazing putty in those pink spots, like I said before. Body filler got to go here. The whole car gonna look like this. Let's go around the other side. Still gotta get this guy coat off the trunk. I haven't done the trunk yet. The whole side right there. Having pretty good work on this quarter panel right here. Rear quarter panel. Those other spots, like I said in the previous video, those other spots are just prime and primer. There were low spots, like I said, that self-etching primer. I'm gonna go back and hit it with some sandable primer, regular primer. Then I'm gonna do the whole car in 320 again, wet sand. Then we're gonna seal the car and be ready to paint it again. All right? Right there. Paint booth ready also.